When you're doing grains, any kind, rye and oats especially, when you're at that step where they say to strain your grains, after you've boiled, so after you've soaked, simmered, boiled, or whatever, after that process is done and you're getting the excess water off of your grains that you don't want on them, because you've already filled them with water, so why have more water on the hull or the outside of the grain to bring up more problems? Well, one method I've used for years was I put the grain in a tote at the end after I had strained it and let it strain for 15 minutes and drain in the sink. I would take the hot grain and I would toss it in a big fucking container, and it would steam, and I would be sitting there sweating and shit. Well, this method here is just, I take a strainer, 2 strainers, and I dump the oats, for instance, and rye. I do this with oats and rye. And these 2 containers, I just pour that in between and real slow. And all the excess water evaporates. And it's not all coming up in your face. And this, for some reason, even takes less time than tossing it. And with oats, I mean, this is just a dream method. Even when I do larger amounts than this, I do it between 2 Rubbermaid totes. But this is like 8 or 10 cups of oats right here. And it works pretty good. The steam's less in your face. You can have a fan running on you. And I would actually suggest having a fan, until you get enough moisture off of the outside of those that it's not going to fuck with your shit later. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe. Even if it's just a fuck you. If not, fuck you.